If you want to change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want to update your profile photo, refresh your look, or switch to a new picture while keeping your existing engagement as much as possible. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly what to tap, where to go, and how to save the change properly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Facebook and go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping your profile icon or selecting your name from the menu. Once you're on your profile, tap on your current profile picture. This will open the profile photo screen where you can view the image in full. From here, select View Profile Picture. On many devices, you'll see this option after tapping the image, and it takes you directly to the photo preview page. Once the picture opens, look for the Edit option or the Make Profile Picture option. Depending on whether you're using the mobile app or desktop version, Facebook may label this button slightly differently, but the process is the same. Tap it, and then choose a new photo from your camera roll, gallery, or uploaded images. If you already have the photo saved, select it right away. If not, you may need to upload it first before continuing. After selecting your new picture, Facebook will usually let you adjust it. This part is important because you want the photo to look clean and centered on your profile. Drag the image if needed, zoom in or out, and make sure your face or main subject is positioned correctly inside the profile circle. Once everything looks good, tap Save or Done to apply the change. Now here's the key part if you want to keep your likes. In some cases, Facebook may treat the profile picture as a post or an update, and the engagement can be tied to that photo. To avoid unnecessary loss of visibility, make sure you are updating the profile picture directly from the profile photo settings instead of deleting and re-uploading the image manually. That helps preserve the post structure and gives you the best chance of keeping existing likes and reactions. Also, before changing it, avoid removing the old profile picture if it already has likes on it. If you simply switch it through the profile photo editor, Facebook usually keeps the existing photo post intact in your profile activity, while the new photo becomes your current profile picture. If you want, you can also review the audience settings afterward to make sure the photo is visible to the right people. Sometimes the likes are still there, but the post visibility or timeline display can make it seem like they disappeared, so always double-check your profile after saving. Once the new photo is set, refresh your profile and confirm that the image updated correctly. If you go back to your profile picture album, you may still see your older profile pictures and their engagement history there as well. That's why changing the image the proper way is so important. It keeps things organized and reduces the chance of losing likes unnecessarily. So to recap, go to your profile, tap your current profile picture, select View Profile Picture, choose Edit or Make Profile Picture, pick a new photo, adjust it, and save the changes. That is the safest and simplest way to update your Facebook profile picture without losing likes. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.